everyone, this is MJ and you are at my channel called Planning This Life. Planning This Life is where we talk pens, planners, productivity. Today, let's get our head out of the news cycle for 5 minutes and let's look at some journaling stickers, shall we? Come on over to my desk. All right, you guys, so yesterday I received a delivery for the Coffee Monsters. This was from their most recent drop. This was packed by Cynthia. And let's take a peek at everything. I know there were some dog stickers in here that I wanted to get. All right. This is chapter 7. Every month, Helen puts in a little freebie. Love that. Aww. If you don't know, I have a BookTube channel. I have a dog named Watson, so I had to get this sticker. Absolutely had to get it. Reading and dogs. Oh, and then I got a little trash one. I love it. There's a BookTube event in August where we read trashy books, and I thought this would be perfect. All right, rolling into a little bit of autumn. These are Helen's large doodles for autumn. They're great. Helen is one of the hardest working people that I see, you know, running a business, doing everything. Summer reading, of course, had to have that. I got 2 pages of that. Love those. This is a peeking emoji magnetic bookmark. So it's just a bookmark, and then it has one on one side, happy, one on the other side. Maybe up to a little no good. But I think those are great. Helen's handwriting. I am going to be practicing my handwriting. I told myself this weekend I'm actually going to give it a real go. I'm going to add it in my morning routine. Deliveries. And these are all from my Hobonichi. Patience, waiting for deliveries. That sometimes is hard when you're trying to distract yourself a little bit from the real world. Waiting for the mail. Love that. Kayak. My husband and I love to kayak. We have to get out more this summer, but I thought that would be cool just to put down our yak trips. Very cool. And then I got some vinyl stickers. Journaling with the dogs. My Watson looks like that one. Aren't they cute? And then 2 books. I think I may have these already, but I'm not sure. No, I have, this is on my Kindle. I have this one that says I love books, but I don't particularly have this one. So I picked up 2. So I'm sure I'll fit it in here somewhere. And that's it. And then on Helen's website, there's the potato pack. So if you put the code potato pack in, you get a little bit of a discount. And if you fill up a card, which is this is the bean card. If you fill up the bean card with coffee beans, you will get a special sheet of stickers, a mini sheet of stickers for that particular month. I have to start pulling my coffee beans and putting them on another card, but I have to get to that. So these are awesome. And I don't think I showed you because I couldn't really wait. But last month I picked this up from the Coffee Monsters, and this is a sticker organization binder. So it's the binder, and then if we open it up, I decorated the inside a little bit, just reusing Coffee Monsters things. And then I picked up 2 packs of the sticker holders, and her sticker holders are embossed with coffeemonsterzco. And I picked this up because it was convenient. I didn't have to shop around. I didn't have to worry about the size. I knew everything was going to fit. So I have things semi-organized. I'll zoom in a little and we can do a little flip through. Okay, so coffee, Helen's handwriting, reading, these are reading stickers, bigger size emojis, these are tiny icons, this one is yoga, anniversary sampler, these are more financial, no spend, calculating budget. Tabletop treasures. Days of the week, horizontal and vertical. Planner day is August 1st, y'all. Planner day is August 1st. To-dos with the checkbox. Tea and biscuits. This is mostly, I think, tea and coffee. I think it's more tea. Yeah, tea time. These are the quarterly stickers. I belong to her quarterly subscription program. Journaling, book tracker, reading and tea emojis, tabletop treasures. I think this is one of my favorite, and this is one that she did in collaboration with the release of the Esterbrook collaboration. I just think it's great. House doodles, organization, tabletop treasures, and then I have all of my stickers for the month, the freebies, and a lot of my vinyls that I haven't used over here. And still more vinyls. Because I love stickers. All right. And basically that's it. So this is a thing that brings me joy. All right, I'll shoot it back over to myself. All right, you guys. Well, I hope you got something out of that. I find great joy in journaling and, you know, collecting stickers, using them in my journals, getting creative with my journals. Leave me a comment in the comment section down below. Do you feel the same way? Is this something that you're going to be getting into? Are you a fan of Coffee Monsters Co? I will leave Helen's website linked down below. And probably in the near future, I'll be showing you guys how I do my spreads in the morning. It's kind of changing because I want to work on my handwriting a little bit, but I'm a work in progress, so why not share it with everybody, right? All right, I hope you all are doing well. Make sure that you are taking care of yourself so you can take care of others, and I'll see you in my next video, whether that be sooner or later. So until next time, goodbye for now. Happy journaling.